Mix everything in a blender and your dessert will be ready. I have here a can with 450 grams of peaches. Save some bites by putting them in a bowl. In a blender, put the rest of the peaches. Add 400 grams of condensed milk. ,200 grams of cream cheese. Squeeze 1 lemon and blend well until smooth. Try this recipe at home. You won't believe how good it is. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Take a moment and write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug. We'd love to know. Now, stop mixing and add 12 grams of neutral flavor jelly. Mix well to blend the jelly in. If you're watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and share it with your friends. This will help us greatly. Now, pour the mixture in a baking pan. Then put it in the fridge for 2 hours. In the meantime, dice the peaches we set aside. When the dessert has hardened, sprinkle the diced peaches on top. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.